Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a destination and launching the process now. Connect your external drive or sign into your cloud account and open the backup tool you installed or the OS backup utility. Give the program permission to access folders, then select the core directories, documents, desktop, pictures, right away. Once done, set a name for this backup job and pick a full backup option for the first run so you capture everything from the start. Now you refine what gets copied and why. You tell the tool which folders to include and which file types to skip, because less clutter means faster restores. Choose incremental backups after the initial full copy so only changed files transfer, saving time and space. Set retention to keep the right number of versions. Once configured, schedule automatic runs at low usage times, and make sure versioning and encryption are enabled so you can start the backup and monitor progress. You should see a file count and transfer speed. Once the job completes, immediately verify integrity by restoring several sample files to a temporary folder so you confirm they open correctly. Make sure you keep at least one copy offline for ransomware protection and check logs regularly for failures. If something goes wrong, reconnect drives, ensure the backup app has permissions, free up disk space, and rerun the job. Those steps usually resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.